All right, last question, probably my favourite. If you go back in time and tell a younger you something about, why don't we just keep it to investing, what would it be?
I think people spend so much time trying to find good stock ideas, which you can't blame them for, because we spend all this time thinking, I just need to find a good investment. I need to find something that's going to make me money, and when I find it, I'll buy it and it'll go up and I'm going to do well. But there's not really enough of a conversation around portfolio management, I think. So that's probably something that I'd go back and tell a younger me, that portfolio management is at least half the equation. So it's fine to say, I bought some of this business. I bought 2% or 3% of it, and it did really well, and sit here and pat myself on the back and, well done, Josh, you own that. Where you can add a real amount of value and really supercharge your returns using something like a Jumbo Interactive, or that I mentioned before, or another business called Service Stream went through a similar journey, where you could see why it was going through a re-rating in the market, why the fundamental guys were going to buy it, why the quant guys were going to buy it, why the index guys were going to buy it. And if something's working, you've just got to strap it on. I mean, you need to be risk aware, but owning 2 or 3% in a business like that is nice. But if you can, and this is something that we've done in the long short fund, if you can move those things up to a 7-8% weight, I think even Jumbo, we got up to a 10% weight at some point when they're going through these re-rates, then you can make twice the amount of money out of them than you otherwise would. You already have the idea, you already understand why it's working and why others are going to buy it. And like I said, Jumbo's gone through that re-rate, so we can now take it back down to a much smaller weight. And I just think there's real value to be added through getting things right with regards to portfolio management. Stock picking is only half the equation.